This is the final video to solve the Microsoft Store sign and error PUR authentication failure. And if you're also facing this problem, stay with me because Rexish will show you every simple fix that actually works. Are you stuck trying to sign in, but the store keeps blocking you with that strange error? This usually happens when your account tokens are broken, Windows can't sync your credentials, or the store cache gets corrupted. And most tutorials online make this feel confusing. When this happened to me, I fixed it with a simple trick that worked right away. Start by opening Settings and Accounts. If the store still refuses to sign in, open the Microsoft Store settings and click Repair, then Reset so Windows rebuilds the entire app. Next, press Windows plus R and run Stressed.exe to clear hidden cache files. If the error continues, open Settings, Time and Language, and enable Automatic Time Sync because wrong time data breaks the login system. Also remove any VPN because Microsoft blocks some regions. Then open Credential Manager and delete old Microsoft account entries so Windows creates fresh tokens. If nothing works, sign out of Windows, restart your PC, and sign in again so your profile reloads cleanly. These steps fix the PUR authentication failure error. Comment below if you want a tutorial.